You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is a word from Italian meaning eat, or he's eating. How to pronounce it in English and in Italian. First, it's pronounced as mangia. You can essentially replace the GI with a J. Mangia, mangia. Stress on the first syllable. Mangia, mangia la pizza or mangia la pasta, per favore. Mangia, mangia. That would be the Italian pronunciation. In English, mangia. Yeah, it's easy. Mangia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.